Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable and use Assistive Ball in Oppo F19 Pro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Assistive Ball is a touch assistant with a combination of 5 unique shortcuts that even users can customize also. Let's see how to enable it and how it works. To begin, go to Settings. Scroll down and find Convenience Tools. Tap on it. Here you will see the option, Assistive Ball. Tap on it. Now simply toggle this button to enable it. It is now enabled, and you can see a translucent circle on the right. Tap on it. You can see 5 default shortcuts options. If you want to customize this, go back to Assistive Ball settings. And then touch the icon you want to change. Choose one operation as a shortcut. In the Assistive Ball, you can easily access the settings or functions, which you use regularly. If you want to disable Assistive Ball, simply toggle that button off. So these are all the things you need to know about using the Assistive Ball in Oppo F19 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.